Alexis, and we're here with another episode of
Key Live Kids.
That's right. So today my helper is Miles, and we are going to show you a kitchen skill and then demonstrate it with a recipe. And today we're doing meatballs, if you didn't gather that already from Miles' exuberance. So we're making turkey meatballs, and yeah, you ready to get started? Mm-hmm. Okay. So first thing we're gonna do is we are going to soak the bread. And Miles, we're gonna do this and then we're gonna come back because the bread needs to soak for 5 minutes. So we're gonna pour the milk over and then we'll kind of get into the recipe. Yeah, go ahead and pour it now. So we will come back in a couple minutes after the bread soaks and finish up our recipe. So Miles, I was gonna tell you to roll your sleeves up, but you've already done it. You know this is kind of a messy job, don't you? Yeah, so you're ready to get your hands dirty?
Yeah.
Okay, so a couple things to know. We're using turkey, we're doing turkey meatballs, and the reason why we soak to the bread and the milk is because turkey can be a little bit dry, and instead of using breadcrumbs or something else that will dry out the turkey even more, if you soak your bread in milk, it makes them really, really nice and moist. So that's why we do that. All right, in here, do you remember what we measured out?
Salt?
Yep.
No, I can't remember.
That's it, yeah.
That's all I remember.
What's on top?
Garlic.
Garlic. We grated some garlic. We've got oregano in there, and we have some fennel seeds too, and the fennel seeds I think make it really good. It's kind of like that sweet Italian sausage flavor. If you don't like them, if you don't have them, you can just leave them out. It's no problem. All right, we're gonna dump that in. Okay, then we're gonna take our bread. I'm gonna squeeze out the extra milk because we don't need all that milk. It's just to get the bread soft. So I'm gonna squeeze out some extra milk and toss our bread in. All right, you wanna do the honors?
Yeah.
Yeah, go for it. Get your hands messy. Miles is gonna stick his hands in there. The best way to do meatballs is just to get your hands messy in there.
It's just really funny.
How does that feel?
It feels really weird.
Yeah? All right, we're gonna finish mixing this and then come back and shape them.
It feels really weird.
So Miles has been busy mixing away. Miles, do you remember when you helped me demonstrate how to crack an egg?
Yeah.
Can you believe that I almost forgot to put the egg in here? Silly. All right, so I'm gonna crack the egg like we learned how to do on the counter. I'm gonna pop it in and you have a little bit more mixing to do. Yeah. So, oh, so squishy. This is the fun part, making meatballs for kids. So fun. All right, he's squishing it up, getting all sorts of messy. Yeah. All right, so the important thing when you're shaping your meatballs is you want them to all be the same size so they cook at the same time. And we have a bowl of water here that we're gonna use because meat can get really sticky. It's gonna stick to your hands. And if you have a bowl of water that you can dip your hands into, keep them moist, then the meat won't stick to your hands while you're forming the meatballs. All right, how's that looking in there? It does look a little bit weird. All right, try to clean your hands off a little bit.
It feels weird a lot.
It does feel weird a lot. All right, so I'm gonna finish just, that's okay. Mix, yep, you can do that, sure.
Okay.
Dip them in there, get them wet.
Yeah.
All right.
That feels really soggy.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so just dry them off, not dry them off. Just, yep, do that. Okay, and then we're gonna start to grab a little bit of meat and we're gonna form some meatballs. Okay, with a little bit damp hands. You want it to be about like,
Big?
Yeah, about like a little smaller than a golf ball because otherwise I think they're just too big to enjoy. We're gonna put them on a pan here that's got a little bit of olive oil on it because we're gonna bake our turkey meatballs instead of fry them. I just think it's easier.
Me too.
Yeah, all right. So Miles and I are gonna finish forming our turkey meatballs. Every once in a while, we dip our hands in the water so the meat doesn't stick. We're gonna finish forming these. And then we're gonna wash our hands really well, right?
How do you roll it? Yeah.
Oh yeah, you just roll it, just like that.
It's so slimy that I can't even do it.
It's pretty slimy. You just gotta keep your hands a little bit loose. Don't try to squish too hard. Perfect, that was great. Look at that, you're doing it. Yep. And we're gonna bake these at like 350 think 350. And they shouldn't take that long because they're not that big. Maybe just 15 minutes.
Well, they are pretty big.
But I guess. So thanks, buddy. I think we did a good job demonstrating how to shape meatballs. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yep. You're not too traumatized by the squishy meatballs?
No.
No? All right. You'll help me again sometime?
Yeah, I
All
guess.
right. All right. Thanks, everybody.